my sweets. So today what you're going to need to do is grab your packet and you're going to need to take some things off. So there's a paper clip on here. You're going to need to take off these few things at the back. Let me show you. You have your new Super Kid book. You have a Golly book with Lily and a blending page, okay? These three things you need to keep in a safe place. You do not need to send back the blending page and the Golly book. These are for you to keep and read at home so that you can practice your blending and get better at reading. Don't send these back to school. Keep these. You should be reading some of this or something every day. You should be reading and blending every day. These stay in a safe place, and so does your new Super Kids book. All right, the very first thing I would like you to do is write your name, first name, and your last name neatly on the lines. We need first and last so that when you bring your packet back on pickup day, we can easily find your name. I know where your name is, but the other teachers who are out there helping don't. So you're going to write your first name and your last name. Give you time to do that. And then all you need this morning is your pencil for right now. All right, when you're done, you're going to open up. This is for your grown-ups. This tells what we are learning this week. The next page says Monday. We're going to go right behind Monday to the math facts. We're going to do these together. 51A. And what I would like you to do is write your name at the top. I ask you to write your name so that when you come back to school, you're in the habit of writing your name on everything. And also because it's good practice to get neater at writing your names. So your name is going to be at the top. I'm sorry, you need one other thing other than your pencil. You need your name tag because you are going to need to hop. All right, here we go. Let's do these math facts. All right, my loves, we're going to do the top two rows together. You have to finish the rest today. If you don't, I'm taking a grade on this. You're going to get a very bad grade because you left half of it empty. So you need to finish the rest. Don't have your grown-up upload it without you doing it. I know it's easier, and you can tell mommy, daddy, granny, I didn't have to do it, but that's lying. So make sure you do the bottom half, okay? All right, let's look up here at the top. 4 minus 4, what's the first thing that I do? Yeah, I should circle that minus. Circle the minus. Now, if I have 4 cookies and I lose all 4, how many do I have? Do you remember from last week, the same number and a minus sign? Look here, 4, and I hop back 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What number am I at? 0. I lost all of them. 4 and I lose all of them is 0. 2 minus 0, what do I do first? Circle that minus. What else can I do? Cross off that 0, and it stays at 2. 1 minus 0, what do I do? Yep, circle that minus. Cross off that 0, and it stays at 1. 3 minus 3, what do I do? Circle the minus. If I have 3 and I lose all 3, that's not a plus. If you write a 6 here, that's wrong. That's not a doubles. This is a number subtracting from itself, a number minus itself. 3 and I lose all 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm at 0 because I lost them all. 6 minus 0, what do I do? Circle that minus. Cross off that 0, and my answer stays at 6. All right, the next one, 6 minus 6. What do I do? Circle that minus. If I have 6 and I lose all of them, how many do I have? If you have 6 cookies and you eat all 6, now you have 0. 7 minus 0, what do I do? Yep, circle that minus. What's next? Cross off that 0, and it stays at 7. 5 minus 5. The first thing I do is circle that minus. So I know I'm not writing a 10. This is not a doubles. 5 and I lose all 5 is 0. 3 minus 0, what do I do? Circle that minus. Yep, cross off that 0, and it stays at 3. Not changing the number because it's a 0 there. 9 minus 9, what do I do? Circle the minus. If you have 9 pieces of candy and they all fall in the dirt, how many pieces of candy do you have left? 0. My loves, what you are going to do is finish the rest of this by yourself, but what I want you to do is right here above this top row is draw a line like this, because these are all pluses, so you're going to have to get more. This line does not mean you don't have to do it. You have to do these math facts, but I want you to do it by yourself, okay? Because you need to practice doing it by yourself without me walking you through it. I want to see if you know how to use your name tag and solve the problems, okay? You need to finish this row and finish this row. If you want to pause me now to do that, you can. My loves, what I would like you to do is just put your pencil and your packet down and just look here at the computer. Last week, a couple weeks ago, we learned how to count by twos. Do you remember that? Listen, see if you can tell me what would come next. 0, 2, 4, 6. Do you remember what comes next? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Yeah, you got it. Now, my loves, what we're going to do today is we are going to learn where you will figure out and say the even numbers to 20. That's your learning target for today. So you are going to figure out all of these missing numbers all the way to 20. Now, before we do that, I need your help. I want you to look here at the 0 and the 2. What did we do when we went from 0 to 2? Look at here at my name tag. When we go from 0 and then we say 2, what did we do? We said 0, we said 2. Do you see a number that we didn't say? We didn't say 1, we skipped number 1. So I need to write this up here. Let me use blue. This blue. We skipped number 1. When we said 0, 2, we did not say the number 1, so we skipped it. When we count by twos, we are skip counting because we are skipping numbers. 0, 1, 2. What number did we skip when we went to 4? 2, we skipped number 1, 2, 3. I'm whispering the ones that we skipped because we don't say those when we skip count. Do it with me, ready? Set, say these numbers, whisper the ones up here. Go. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, skip 5. Yeah, we're skip counting. 6, skip 7. 8, skip 9. So if we skip 9, what's going to be my next number when we count by twos? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 8, 9, 10 is my next number when we're counting by twos. Boys and girls, these purple numbers that I'm writing, when we count by twos and we start with 0, these are called the even numbers. Say even numbers. Yeah, I always go like this. Even numbers, even numbers. Do it with me. Ready? Go. Even numbers, even numbers. These are the even numbers. We're going to learn what these ones up here that we're skipping are called a little bit later. Start here with me. Count these even numbers, just the ones in purple. Ready, set, go. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. What's going to come next? Where you have to skip a number. What number were you to skip after 10? 10, skip. 11. We're skipping 11. What's my next even number then? If we skip 11, my next even number, 10, 11, 12. You got it. 12 is my next even number. Awesome. What number am I going to skip next? 12, skip. If you don't know, count back here. 10, 11, 12, 13. We're skipping 13. What's my next even number? 12, 13, 14. Yeah. 14 is my next even number. Say even number. Awesome. All right. What's going to be my next even number? 13. 14, skip. 15. 15. My next number is 16 is my next even number. Say even number. Awesome. Let's go back and count my even numbers. Ready? Start here. Ready? Set. Go. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. What number am I going to skip next? 15, 16, skip. 17, you got it. 16, 17. 18 is my next even number. Even number. All right, we're almost there. We are figuring out and say, we are saying the even numbers to 20. We are doing our learning target. We only have one more space left. So 18, what am I going to skip next? 16, 17, 18, 19. Skip 19. And what's my next even number? Count with me. Ready? Go. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 is my next even number. All right, my loves. What we are going to do is we are going to say all of these numbers, but we are going to say out loud the even numbers in purple, and we're going to whisper the ones that we skipped, because this is skip counting. When we count by twos, we are skip counting. Say skip counting. Yeah, because we skipped these numbers. We didn't write a 1 in here, or 3, or 5, or 7, or 9. We skipped those numbers, didn't we? So say and whisper these numbers with me. Ready? Go. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. You're saying it with me. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I'm going to erase these numbers that we skipped. And I just want you to say these even numbers with me. So I'm going to erase these numbers. We'll learn what these other blue numbers are called later. But right now, we're just focusing on even numbers. Even numbers. All right. I want to show you something. Look at 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Look here. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. 0. Do you see how it keeps repeating? Those last numbers are always the same. They're either a 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Even numbers. Count with me. Ready? Set. Go. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Do it one more time. Ready? Set. Go. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Boys and girls, did we do our learning target? Did we figure out and say the even numbers to 20? We did. Every day at math meeting now, my sweets, what we're going to do is we are going to say the even numbers. I have a counting strip, and instead of going across, it goes up. It's the same thing. Say it with me. Ready? Go. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Awesome. My loves, we will be practicing this every day. And remember, when we count by twos, we are skip counting as we skipped numbers, right? My sweets, what I would like you to do is grab your packet, your pencil, your crayons, and your name tag. Holy smokes, let me show you. You need your packet, your pencil, your name tag, and your crayons. Grab all of these things for me, please. What you're going to do is turn to the very next page in your packet. (51A). And what I want you to do is write your name on the very top line while I get my paper set up and get the date up here for us to write. So you are going to write your name. Oh, come on, I won't open up. There we go. You are writing your name. All right. Let me scooch you closer. All right. You have your name at the top. And we're going to write the date for today. So in math meeting that you heard, it's whose birthday today? Yeah, Mr. Birch's birthday. Mr. Birch's birthday today. We're going to write the date for his birthday. So let me scooch you just a bit closer. We're going to start with the month, December. So we need to write uppercase D. Right under your name. You have to do this. If you get these two wrong, you already have a not so good grade in my grade book for today. Because you can get up to 4 wrong, and then after that, 4 wrong is the most that you can get wrong because we do this all together, and then you have the worst grade you can get, okay? So you have to make sure you do these, otherwise that's 2 wrong right away. E, what letter comes next? E. D, these letters make that S sound. C-E, try to write small and neat. Decem, the letter M. December, what letter says B? B. December, these 2 letters make the sound. E-R. Today is Mr. Birch's birthday. What date is his birthday? The 7th. So you need to write a number 7. You're still on the same line. You need your cute little comma. And then your year, 2020. 2020. And then it says day of the week. What day of the week is it today? If yesterday was Sunday, today is Monday. Monday, Monday, Monday. Monday, Monday, Monday. M-O-N. M-O-N. Okay, we need to write that. So uppercase M, you're down on the very last line. M-O, we said. M-O-N. M-O-N, and then D-A-Y, D-A-Y. So we need to write D, A, Y. All right, I will give you time to finish that. All right, what number do you see here at the top under Monday and the date that you just wrote? 4 and a 6 make 46. You got it. So I want you to trace your 46s and then you have to make them 2 times. Make sure your 4, those 2 lines touch the very top line and your 6 curls around to that middle line. Your 6 goes top all the way to the bottom, curls all the way up to that middle line. If it doesn't, please erase it. You need to be very neat. For this last number, you can draw your line in between the 4 and the 6. You should be just about done. Which number tells us how many tens there are in the number 46? How many tens are there? Which one of these 2 numbers is in the tens place? Yeah, the 4, so you're going to write a T for tens. Which number tells us how many ones there are? Yeah, the 6, so you're right in O. All right, time for our story problem. You can park your pencil and just listen for right now. It says Zane had 3 dimes. He gave his sister 2 more dimes. Draw a picture and write a number sentence to show how many dimes he has now. Let's listen again. What do we need to do first? It says Zane had 3 dimes. What do we need to do? Draw 3 dimes, 3 circles. Ready? Quietly grab your pencil. Go. 1, 2, 3. Then it says his sister gave him 2 more. That was so nice of her. What do we need to do to show that she gave him 2 more? He got more, so we need to draw a line and draw 2 more dimes. Now we need to write our number sentence because we don't know how many he has yet. So how many did he start with? 1, 2, 3. So we need to write a 3. What sign do we need? A plus or a minus? Yeah, why do we need a plus? Because he got more, right? His sister gave him more. Plus means more. You're getting a bigger number. How many more did his sister give him? 2. 3 plus 2, what sign do I need? Equals, how many all together? Let's count. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can't forget to do this. How many dimes does he have now? 5. We need to write 5 again. All right, it says write the number that is 1 less. Ooh, I told you to have your name tag handy. Grab your name tag. I gotta find where I put mine. Oh, here it is. So what number is 1 less than 8? So look at the line goes before number 8. So here's number 8. What number is 1 less than 8? If I take 1 away, we're at number 7. There, now I can hold this here and fit it all on the screen. 15. What number goes before 15? So if I find 15 and I take 1 away, what number's before 15? 14. Look, it's just like we're counting, my dears. Look, 7, 8. We're just counting. 14, 15. Next will come 16. Okay. Now, 23 is not on our name tag. That's too big. What number comes before 23? If you don't know, start at 20. 20, 21, 22, 23. What number did we say right before 23? 22. A 2 and a 2 makes 22. 22, 23. Yeah, because after a 2 and a 2 comes a 2 and a 3. Last one, a 5 and a 7 makes 57. Okay, what number comes before 57? What comes before 57? Let's count. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. What do we say right before 57? Before a 5 and a 7 comes a 5 and a 6. 56. You got it. It says color the squares with even numbers yellow. Even numbers. Take out your yellow. All right. I'm going to peel mine here quick. What's the first even number you see? Now, we always start with 0, right? But there's not a 0 up here. So we can't color 0. So what is the first even number you see? Don't be tricked. Is number 1 an even number? No, it's not. It is not an even number because our even numbers are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So can we color number 1? No. What's our first even number? 2. Color number 2. Stay in the lines. Do not go into number 1. Do not go into number 3. What's our next even number? Remember when we count by 2s, it's the same as skip counting. So if we didn't color number 1, color number 2. Are we going to color number 3? We have to skip it. To skip 3, color 4. 2, 4. 2, 4. 4 is our next even number. Color number 4. Stay in the lines. Don't rush. Your squares are smaller than mine. So if you're done before me, just wait patiently and look for the next even number. All right, who's the next even number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, we're not coloring 5. Skip 5. 4, skip 5, color 6. Staying in those lines. 2, 4, 6. Skip 7, color 8. 8's my next even number. Eight, skip 9, color 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 is my next even number. All right. Now we need to keep going. What's my next even number? 9, 10, 11, 12. It ends with a 2. That's an even number. We need to color 12. Okay, look, count with me. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. What are we going to color next? 14. Skip 13, color 14. We're skip counting, only coloring the even numbers. All right. Two, count with me. Ready, go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Color 16 is our next even number. What's going to go after 16? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. We have to skip 17, color 18. And my last even number is 20. All right, my loves, you need your pencil and your name tag. We're going to do some of these math facts, and then you're going to finish the rest by yourself. Don't leave them empty. Last week, some of you left these empty, then you got a lot wrong. And I took a grade on this page. I'm taking a grade again today. 3 plus 1, what's the first thing I do? You got it. I'm going to circle that plus. So circle the plus, so my brain knows I'm getting more. So now look at your name tag. 3, oh, there we go. 3. It says I hop 1 more. Plus means I'm getting more. So 3, hop 1 more is 4. So take your pencil, write 4. 5 minus 0. What do I do? Circle that minus. What can I do with that 0? You got it. Cross it off, and my answer stays at 5. 4 plus 0. What do I do? Circle the plus. Cross off that 0. My answer stays at 4. 5 minus 1. What do I do? Circle that minus. All right, now I need my name tag. Minus means I'm losing 1. I'm starting at 5. And I'm taking 1 away. It says minus 1, so I'm going to take 1 away. Hop back 1. Ready, go. 1. What number are we at? 4. My loves, you're going to finish these 4 by yourself. This is the doubles. If you don't remember, you need to hop 6, and you hop 6 more. That's what it says. So my loves, you are going to finish this. You are going to upload all of your math facts. You finished all of them, right? And 51A. So you need all of your math facts and all of this page uploaded to the blue math folder. Bye, my sweets. You learned how to count by even numbers today. You did great. Bye, my guys, my dears. We'll see you soon.